Come test drive the 2018 Ecosport. The Ford Ecosport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.